Want to earn money when you spend it? Well, I've tested dozens of cashback apps, and these 7 cashback platforms that I'm sharing today have the highest rewards and cover nearly every spending category. Hey everyone, I'm Carrie, self-proclaimed cashback queen. I treat earning money like a game, and to earn the most cashback on all daily purchases, I use a combination of these apps, and so can you. The first app on my list is Fetch Rewards, which I use as a catch-all for pretty much any purchase. It's really simple, and it functions off a point system. For example, you can get 900 points for buying 2 multi-pack boxes of Welch's fruit snacks. And one reason I like Fetch is that you don't have to shop at any particular store or buy any particular product to earn points. Just upload any receipt from any in-person shopping trip, and Fetch will automatically scan the receipt that you upload for any eligible items with offers. But you can also check the offers on the Fetch homepage to see if they have higher rewards, or you could get points for shopping at specific stores or buying specific items. I always see offers in the app worth hundreds of points for certain retailers and brands, and even if there wasn't a deal for any item that you wanted, you can still get a minimum of 25 points for every receipt that you upload. They also play this fun little rigged game after you scan. And once you have 1,000 points or more, you can redeem them for gift cards. And since I travel a lot, I personally save all of my points on Fetch and redeem them for travel gift cards for Airbnb, Delta, and Southwest. So one drawback of Fetch is that you don't get actual cash back when you earn. Remember, it functions off points. 1,000 points is only worth like $1, but don't worry, the other apps I'm talking about today have a way higher rewards. The reason I like Fetch is might as well submit all your receipts. You'd be surprised at how many rewards you can get just from your daily purchases. Why not? This next one is my favorite because you can earn real cash on everyday purchases like gas, groceries, and dining. The free Upside mobile app has some of the highest cashback percentages I've literally ever seen. All right, let's start with restaurants because food is my favorite. You can earn at over 65,000 restaurants across the US with Upside. Most of the restaurant offers I see are between 5 and 15%, and I've even gotten a 20% cashback offer before. And by the way, my next video is covering how much I earned eating out with Upside in New York City, so make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss that video. Upside is super easy to use. All you need to do is add your credit card or debit card that you normally pay with into the app, and then just look for the gas, restaurant, or grocery offer in the app, claim it, and then just fill up, shop, or dine as you normally do, pay as normal as well, and then tap I've paid. Upside does have a new pay with app feature where you don't even need your card, and my favorite part is in most cases when you pay with the app, you get your money the same day. When you're ready to cash out, you can transfer your earnings to your bank account, PayPal, or an e-gift card, and then you can spend it or save it however you like. I cover exactly how to use Upside, earn, sign up, claim offers, and how to use the pay with app feature in my latest Upside app tutorial, so definitely check that out after this one. So when you need to get gas, you can claim offers at over 30,000 gas stations across the nation, and most of the time I earn between 12 to 19 cents per gallon cash back on my gas fuel ups, and now Upside is partnering with gas station convenience stores. So when you get cash back while you're filling up, you can also earn cash back on the snacks and supplies in the convenience store as well. You might also see some more hardware stores in the Upside app coming soon too. It's worth mentioning that you can earn 6 to 10% cashback on your debit card purchases with Upside. This is over 3 times more than most cashback debit cards, which only offer between 1 and 1.5% cashback on average. If you haven't signed up for Upside yet, use the code YouTube for an extra 25 cents per gallon cashback on your first gas fuel up, or you can use the code YouTube10 to get an extra 10% cashback on your first restaurant or grocery purchase. Okay, so there are cons to Upside, and it's that there aren't really deals for entertainment, travel, or any retail stores right now on the app, and that's why I love mixing and matching my cashback earnings across all the different apps. Okay, so the next one is the CapitolOne Shopping Chrome extension, and I use it to get discounts and deals on almost all of my online purchases. Once you download the extension, the tool scans dozens and dozens of discount codes across the internet to try to find you the best deal, and they automatically apply it to your cart. This is no joke. I've been using this for over 2 years, and I've saved over $560 with CapitolOne, and they also have this price comparison tool that I use a lot that shows you the better deals at different online stores. So for example, if you find something on a retailer's website that someone else is selling for less money on eBay, it'll give you the link to directly go to the other listing so that you can pay less money for it. And even if it doesn't find you a working coupon or a cheaper purchase, you can still earn rewards that accumulate over time in the app and that you can exchange for gift cards. So one downside of the app for me is that a lot of the times it'll scan like 1 billion million coupon codes and none of them work. But remember, even if there aren't any offers, you can always earn cashback still just from using a cashback credit card. Capital One is also one of my favorite credit card providers, and I cover my favorite cashback credit cards, including CapitolOne ones, in this video. It's linked below in the description. Honey is another money-saving Chrome extension that I love, and if you spent any amount of time on YouTube since like 2017, you've probably seen their sponsored videos everywhere. I really like it because it's really easy to install, much like any other Chrome extension. It's free, and I love that there are tons of discounts on most shopping sites through Honey. And remember, it's very similar to the CapitolOne shopping, but one thing different is that Honey also offers rewards in the form of Honey Gold. So these rewards can then also be redeemed for gift cards or money sent directly into your PayPal account. One of the cons is that a lot of the codes just don't work out. And I've noticed that both extensions seem to find different coupons though, so I would run both the CapitolOne and Honey just to see if there's a working code. And when you use both, there's usually one that works. Next up is Ibotta, which is a cashback app that partners with thousands of online and in-store retailers to offer cashback on everything from groceries to electronics to home improvement supplies and more. So all you have to do is find the offer for the store that you're going to or that you're gonna shop at, choose those items, and make sure to save your receipt after you've purchased. Once you've submitted your receipts into the app, you'll get cashback in your account that then you can withdraw into your bank, PayPal, or gift card. But unlike Upside, you do have to reach a $20 cashback minimum in order to cash out. And that can take a long time, especially if you're not using the app a lot. So the thing that I don't love about Ibotta is that to get the most out of Ibotta, you have to connect your retailer rewards account to the app. And this basically means you have to create a loyalty or a rewards account at all the stores that you're gonna shop at and then add it into Ibotta. That way they can connect the two accounts and give you the rewards. You also have to be diligent about finding offers before you shop. And not every product that you're planning to buy will have an offer in Ibotta. And something to note is that a lot of the offers have expiration dates or minimum purchase requirements. So remember to always read the fine print in Ibotta. If you're interested in passive cashback, this next app is for you. Dosh is one of my favorite apps because all you have to do is connect the credit cards that you use, and the Dosh app will regularly scan for qualifying offers. For example, I like that I've gotten a cashback on Lyft or Ubers or at restaurants without even trying. I just sit back and wait for the app to automatically scan my cards and get cash back. Dosh partners with probably the most extensive number of shopping categories and retailers in this list, and I really love that they create a custom experience for you on the homepage. For example, every single time I log in, I see offers from clothing stores, boutiques, concert ticket sites, car accessory stores, restaurants, and hotels that I like. And the cashback percentages are pretty high too. Take a look at this. But of course, there are downsides. Your rewards actually expire in 12 months. And this sucks because I didn't log into my app for a while, and when I came back, I saw that they'd taken away almost $10 of my earnings. And they do have a $15 minimum cash out requirement. So if you never hit that minimum and you miss that 12-mark window, you won't even be able to get your cash. Another thing is Dosh only works with Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. So if you have Discover, you won't be able to use it. So the last cashback app on my list is Rakuten, which is an internet extension site similar to Ibotta because they partner with thousands of online and in-store retailers. If Ibotta doesn't have the deal that I'm looking for and I need to pick something up in person, or I have something specific I'm looking for online, I always also look in Rakuten. They have tons of offers for retail purchases in the cosmetic industry, clothing, travel, and tech, and I love it for big online purchases. And they also offer double cashback on certain things where you can earn twice as much, so definitely take a look at those. It's great if you make a lot of retail purchases, but it's not as great for things like restaurants or gas. And one of the main drawbacks, in my opinion, is that cashback processing takes like a really long time with Rakuten. Unlike Upside, which only takes a few days, it can take up to 45 days to get your money with Rakuten. And I do have another video where I break down how the cashback works for all of these apps, so definitely make sure to check that one out too. So how do you choose the best apps that you're gonna use? Remember, you can use all of them, or you can just use the ones that you will use the most, and you can layer all the rewards at the same time. So for example, let's say I claim a grocery offer with the Upside app. I can also, on top of that, get rewards from the actual grocery store, and then get rewards from Ibotta, and then also scan it and look for deals in Dosh. And then when I get home, I'm gonna put the receipt into Fetch, so I get at least a minimum of 25 points on top of everything else. And if I'm using a cashback credit card, I'm also getting cashback on top of that. So the only ones that you can't combine are the Chrome extension ones like CapitolOne, Honey, and Rakuten, but everything else, you're good to go. And if you haven't signed up yet, you can get a bonus 25 cents per gallon on your first gas purchase with the code YouTube, or use the code YouTube10 to earn an extra 10% cashback on your first restaurant or grocery purchase. I hope I see you all in the next video. Thank you so much, and happy earning with Upside.